2011 to 2013 Toyota Corolla aux media port adapter replacement. It's right here, this guy right here. So if your music's not working, your cord's not, it's just not working, I'm gonna show you how to replace that little port. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you the quick way. You wanna get a small flathead like this, maybe even a small butter knife, something that's pretty stout. And we're gonna go in between the aux port and the panel right here, and we're just gonna push it in and then pry upwards. Kind of gentle. You don't need to like manhandle it, and then it should pop out enough to where you can grab it with your fingertips and then slowly pull it forward. Now there's a wire connected to the back and there's like no slack. You could barely get it out, but if you pull it gently outwards, there's a little thumb tab on the connector, and you could push the thumb tab down and then pull the USB port forward, and then don't let that connector fall back in the dash. Here's the port right here. Now here's the part number, 86190-02010. These are on Amazon. They have an aftermarket one for 17 bucks. It has pretty good reviews, it looks like. However, they also sell the Toyota OEM one. It's right here, 85 bucks. I highly recommend getting this. This will probably last the rest of the lifetime of the vehicle. Highly recommend getting the Toyota one, even though it's more expensive. But it's up to you, whatever you want to do. It's your car. So once you get your new one, you're going to go ahead and plug this in. You want to be very careful not to let the white connector go back into the dash. We're going to push this on right here. And then we're just going to go ahead and push this in. Once you got it connected, this should just kind of pop back in place. And that's it, guys. You're all done. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.